we need 100 grams of this, 160 grams of iced water. Okay? You also need flour.
Flour ko more.
Sa tray. Sino to? Nagsupi. Ay, wait lang. Yung sauce pala. Sobatsuyu. Or to make tempura, you need water. You need this. You need a bowl. Okay? You need your nabashi. You also need a tray of flour. And then, of course, lastly, you need your tray and then your oil. Pero before ako mag-start, I'll make muna the dip for the tempura. With the tempura dip, or the tsuyu for the tempura, basically, it is a mixture of soy sauce, mirin, sake, a little bit of sugar, water, and then dashi. And then before serving, it is actually served with daikon, no, radish, and a little bit of ginger also. Okay, so you can do that, but for now, let's highlight, si Sobatsuyu. If there's also another product that I like about Somi, it's this, in the tonkotsu paste. Kanya tayo napaitan. That's all.
That's all.
Curry, yes, and that's all. Because not all our products I actually like. And I'm just being truthful. Again, because that is my preference. It can be really good for other people, but for me, it can be, something that, I can easily pass up on. Okay? So, for that, we'll do the... Saan ito galing? For tomorrow. Tomorrow's ideation ng meron. Si Pia lang yun at saka si Johan. Okay.
Ano more?
Gagamit ito. Pang tatlong tempura pa naman.
Now, for this, siguro mga 100 ml. 100 ml is about half a cup. Almost about half a cup. Or actually, kahit konti na. It don't need much. We'll add hot water. Kasi ang maganda here, this one has sake, mirin, dashi already, and then soy sauce. Kaya I don't need to buy, separate stuff anymore. Yung son ko uses this for his gyudon. Kasi he just adds mushroom, sugar, and then beef to it, and then that's it. So it's very, very convenient to use. Similar to mensuyu. Okay, I'll add water para mabilis. Patanggal mo na ng oil mo, Hana, please. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll add hot water. Let's add a little bit of sugar. How do you want your tempura tsuyu? Salty? Sweet.
Sweet.
I like it sweet. Me too. Very sweet. Okay, let's add sugar. Ang wala nito is actually sugar, to make it a multi-purpose. So, sabi ko you can use this, for marinating eggs, for teriyaki, for donburi, or it can be a ryori tsuyu or like a cooking tsuyu also, apart from it being, good for the soup. And then, ano pa ba? For soup and for dipping. Alright, so, let's add sugar. So, let's put about 2 tablespoons of, or 3 tablespoons of sugar to that. And then basically, all I need to do is just warm it up. That's all. That's your dip for tempura already. Okay. Ang problem lang nito, it's just a little too dark and then medyo mataas din siya sa dashi. Yun lang naman. But if you can go with, having a lot of dashi in your food, then that's fine. So basically, hintayin nyo lang siya mag-simmer din, that's it. Hingi ako ng sampling cups.
Yes.
Wala na siya ilalagay. Masarap. More sugar.
Oishi. Oishi. Baka.
Word of the day niya.
Okay, more sugar. And then later, no, lalagay namin yung sauce here. So you all have individual sauces already. You can just add a little bit of the grated radish and a little bit of ginger also.
Tapo na yun, sir.
Alam ko, tatlo pa.
Hindi na. Di ba na?
So,
Yeah, basically just warming it up. Actually, ito na rin yun. Gamitin nyo ito for teriyaki. Okay lang din. For long, you're really just adjusting the level of the amount of water and then sugar for it to be multi-purpose. And then, yeah, while waiting for that, we'll do the batter. Sige. So for the batter, we need 100 grams nito and then water. Now, sa kitchen, we don't necessarily
Scissor.
we don't necessarily measure anymore. It's all about, looking at the mixture and knowing when to add more or less water sa kanya. Will all be dependent on many other factors. Kasi even yung mga products natin, they constantly change. They are not the same perfect product you get each and every time. Okay? So,
For the shrimp po ba,
pakidry na lang ako.
kailangan lagyan niya ng salt?
No. Tandaan ninyo, yung nawashi na yan, it's already somewhat salted. Maalat-alat na siya sa loob, so you don't need to season it. If you are doing it from scratch, say, maghihimay ka, actually, there's no need because you're gonna dip it in the tsuyu anyway. You want to be able to really appreciate the shrimp. Saan to galing? Okay, so, I just need that much. And then, lagay lang ako ng ice water. The key to making tempura, okay, so okay lang kahit may yellow. The key to making tempura is to just mix it. Just enough, no, para ma-dissolve lang siya. And it's fine kahit may lumps. Huwag niyo siyang haluin ng haluin. Huwag kayo matuwa kasi hindi siya kalamay. Okay? Ang ginagawa kasi nung iba, talagang sinisigurado nila na talagang mawala yung lumps na yan. It's fine even if you have the lumps and if you have, you want it like that, somewhat medyo running ng kaunti. Okay? And this is done also. That's it. Oil, please. Oil. Okay? So, that goes here, together with this, and then that.
Oo nga.
Iwala kayo sa akin. Pag meron kayo ng mga gamit natin sa bahay ninyo, para kayo nasa restaurant. Yes. Even my kids can actually make restaurant quality food just by adding water and then sugar because basically it's ready to use. Huh? So,
Sugar, water, and soba tea.
ayan. Flour.
Janet Jackson.
But it's not good fast moving.
Yeah, I think so.
Some I don't
Okay, so same then. Again, anything that you need to fry, please make sure you dry it first. Anything that you need to sear, na gusto nyo mag-brown, lalo na pag piniperito nyo with or without flour on it, please make sure they are completely dry. Allergic ako dito. Dahil,
Diyan, chef, pwede rin gamitin ko Chico Mix.
kaya ba natin uchi? Hindi naman. Kasi kakapit at kakapit naman siya.
Dito sa pagpuro.
But I think we can.
Pwede.
What is the use of that?
Hindi yung tamago siya.
Tamago. Nung Mr. Tamago.
Kasi may tamago na siya.
With radish and ginger. Only onions.
Yung mga taong expert sa pagtitempura ha, so huwag kayong mag-expect sa akin ng sobrang gandang tempura talaga na masyadong mapalikpik. Okay? So you have to dredge it in flour first. The purpose of the flour always is para yung whatever liquid that you are going to kumbaga submerge it in will actually adhere to the surface. Otherwise, if this one, diniretso ko lang siya dito, hindi yan didikit. Okay? So, kailangan meron ka munang flour. And you don't want too much of that flour also. But prior to frying, No, I want to make sure it's really hot enough. Canola pa rin. What oil is this?
Yes, sir. Canola.
That's the fantastic.
Jal.
Yeah, that's the fantastic. Just guess where.
The deeper the oil, the better.
Ayun na tengkaso.
So para,
Yeah.
ano,
Huwag may tengkaso.
yes. Ayan na. Ano daw to, Mrs.?
Tengkaso.
Tengkaso. Ano yung tengkaso? The tempura bits, which is that one. So I know it's hot enough already, and then that's actually the texture that I want also. Naririnig yun sa tunog? So you know it's crisp. Okay? Alright. So we're gonna eat. Okay, so dry. Tinanggal ko na yung ano ha, yung gloves ko. Kasi isasayaw ko to here. Okay, so dip it.
Wow. Amazing.
Naka, so nice. Pag gaganyan na ako, wala na ako next week. Naka. Now, yung iba, ang ginagawa nila is ginagather nila ito, no? Yung mga tengkasu. They make a lot of tengkasu. Okay? And then nilalagay yan sa side. And then they get tempura, the nobashi. And it has okay, tapos doon siya dinidikit. Pero dapat parehan sila ng luto. Para hindi magkaiba ng kulay. See? Now you know. Magaling ako sa tempura. Pero at least may natutunan tayong technique. So it's basically that. Okay, so you just want it light color. Ganda, diba? Tempura daw. 100 lang yan. Tatlo na. Pangit. Good. One more. Wala na tayo. Nag-testing ako. Let's do it again. Kuha na ako ng paglagay ka na ng sauce dun sa.
Alam mo na yun. Lumaki lang. Lumaki lang.
Tumpok yan. Yung ano.
Baby.
Okay. And again, pagpasensyahan na, tempura na rin yan. Wait lang. See, dahil iba yung kulay niya, pero dapat magkaparehas sila ng kulay. Let's do it again.
I will eat that.
Yum, 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 yum.
Okay. Balik kayo ng 130. No. Seryoso. Thank you.
No, chef.
Ngayon pa siya tumingin.
We would like to try your tempura.
Thank you sa inyo. Balik kayo ng 130. Guys, class dismissed ha. 12 na. Balik na kayo. Ayaw nyo? Hindi kayo pagsabihan ha.
Magkasarap
Ako,
niya.
bawal na dyan. May shirts
Try it again. Kaya mas maganda, mas malalim eh.
Yun.
Para magkapalipit.
Yan. Okay na yan. Ganda na.
Hindi, para may mukha ng 400.
Para
Ano yung
lumaki.
technique niyo?
Oo, yes. You have to. Kaya dapat,
Kaya siya parang malaking shrimp.
ay, tumukot sa ganyan siya.
Yan, may hot coffee na.
Bago mga sumagot. Matigas.
Patigas.
Hindi mo gamit ng show eh.
Chef, ano yung, may naghanap sa akin ng